Exercise 8.2, question number 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. In this question, there are 4 parts, and in each part one expression is given and value of the expression is asked. For the value of the expression, there are 4 options given in the questions. We have to choose which of the 4 options is correct option for the given expression in each part. Like in first part, expression given is 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees equal to what? 4 options are sin 60 degrees, cos 60 degrees, tan 60 degrees and sin 30 degrees. From these 4 given options, we have to choose which one is the correct option for this given expression. So let's do. Question number 2. First part given expression is 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees equal to what? This is the given expression that we have to evaluate and accordingly choose which of the 4 given options is correct. So let us evaluate this given expression. 2 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees 1 by root 3 whole square, and this is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. This is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. This is equal to 2 by root 3 into this 4 by 3 will be multiplying 2 by root 3 like this, 3 by 4. 2 times 4 and we will get 3 by 2 into root 3, 2 root 3, and this is equal to root 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3. This 3 we have written root 3 into root 3. Now root 3 cancel, so we have got root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees value is also equal to root 3 by 2. So therefore 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees equal to sin 60 degrees. Therefore, which option of the 4 given options is correct option? So option A, sin 60 degree is the correct option. Now second part. In second part, it is given that 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees equal to what? So let us evaluate this expression also. 1 minus tan 45 degrees value 1, so 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0 by 1 plus 1 2, 0 by 2 is equal to. So therefore fourth option D is the correct option for this question. Now third part. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a is true when a equal to what? Four given options are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So third part is sin 2a equal to 2 into sin a is true when a equal to what? When a equal to 0 degrees, then sine of 2 into 0 degrees equal to 2 into sine 0 degrees. This implies sine 0 degrees equal to 2 into sine 0 degrees is 0. So sine 0 degrees equal to 0 and 2 into 0 is also 0. So when a is equal to 0, then sine 2a is 0 and 2 into sine a is also 0. That is, for angle a equal to 0 degrees, this relation given a relation sine 2a equal to 2 into sine a is satisfied. So therefore sine 2a is equal to 2 into sine a is true when a is equal to 0 degrees. Therefore option A 0 degree is correct option for this third part. Now fourth part. In fourth part, given expression is 2 into tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees, and we have to find value of this. So let us evaluate this expression. 2 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. This is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. This is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. This is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. This 2 cancel and we are getting 3 by root 3. This 3 we can write root 3 into root 3 in the numerator, and denominator is already root 3. So root 3 cancel, so we have got under root 3. Now tan 60 degrees value is also root 3. Therefore, 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees equal to tan 60 degrees. And so option C, tan 60 degrees, is correct option for this fourth part. Question number 3. If tan A plus B equal to root 3, tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, where A plus B is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90 degrees. A is greater than B, then find A and B. So let's solve this question. We have tan A plus B is equal to root 3. This implies tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degrees, because tan 60 degrees value is root 3. Now from both sides you see tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degrees. That means angle A plus B is equal to tan 60 degrees. You don't understand that this tan and this tan they will get cancelled. No, this is wrong method. If tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degrees, that means angle A plus B is equal to angle 60 degrees. So this implies A plus B is equal to 60 degrees, and let it be equation number 1. And it is also given that tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. The 1 by root 3 is value of tan of which angle? Tan 30 degrees. So tan A minus B is equal to tan 30 degrees. And this further implies that A minus B is equal to 30 degrees, and let it be equation number 1. Now we have two linear equations 1 and 2 in terms of variables A and B. See, this A plus B equal to 60 degrees is a linear equation. A minus B equal to 30 degrees is also a linear equation in two variables. Here in 1 and 2 variables are A and B. So now solving equations 1 and 2, we get A plus B is equal to 60 degrees and A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. These two linear equations you can solve using any method, maybe by substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method, but here we are going to apply elimination method. So plus B minus B cancelled, A plus A 2A equal to 60 degrees plus 30 degrees 90 degrees. So therefore A equal to 90 degrees divided by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. So angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Now from equation 1 we get A plus B equal to 60 degrees implies B equal to 60 degrees minus A. So 60 degrees minus 45 degrees equal to 15 degrees. So what is the answer of this question? Answer is angle A equal to 45 degrees and angle B is equal to 15 degrees.